Hello guys, welcome to Showmation, and I'm gonna show you how to boot your rebrick your iPhone, iOS, any phone, anything, anything. Okay, so you can see where my phone is stuck. If I boot, I'm booting it, and then it will show connect to your computer. And so just wait a minute for it. We have a fix. This fix is free. There is a no money cost there anything else. Just you download and flash your software. So just go to your computer. We are on our PC, so just go to Chrome and type here only 3u and 3u.com. Just enter it, and you can see there is a free tool. There is a no cost hidden anything, so just download. And you can see I have already download and installed. So I'm not going to download it. Just there's a 3u tools, and open it. And there you can see this is saying please connect your device. So plug in plug in your phone, and you can see there's a not voting menu anything. So just plug it and power on, and you can see now you can see your iOS version, your model number, and all about your phone. So just flash which you want, like 14.0 iOS, 13.5.1, and if you want to hire to your phone, so you can flash it. So if you want to see how to install 14 in your phone, just click on my video. There's a link, and I'm gonna flash 3.5.1. so just click on flash, and this showing this, and okay, flash. Now it's flashing and detecting my phone automatic. And just wait for it, and you can see your device is booting and installing a ROM like your older version iOS in your phone, restoring everything, updating SCR firmware and all thing. So just to I'm going to skip it. So now the device is booting and boot up successfully. So I just gonna fast forward this setup. So there's a final boot of like setuping my device. First of all, I'm going to brightness low, and you can see setting, and in general I think you cannot see, so I'm gonna brightness down. So in general and about phone, you can see 14.0. This is a beta version, and iPhone 6s you can model number match, serial number match in starting window, and just about, and you can see no updates there, and your 14.0 has been installed, your software up to date. So hope you guys like it. If any problem, so comment here and I will answer it. So just enjoy the iOS 14 in any device. just download the software and you can get 14.0 if is it available for your device. So thank you for watching.